Hey everybody, I got another pocket letter video for you today. So this is for my Facebook group, and this is a Tim Burton pocket letter. So to celebrate all Tim Burton movies. So these are the movies that I've chosen for my pocket letter. I got the Mad Hatter for the live version of Alice in Wonderland, the first movie. I'm not sure if he did the second Alice in Wonderland. I have to double check on that. I got Coraline, which I've seen. It's okay. It's not my most favorite of his collection, but I have seen it. Then there is Tim Burton, one of his more famous movies. Tim Burton's most famous movies, The Nightmare Before Christmas. I do like that movie. The songs do get stuck in your head, that's for sure. Then I have the Red Queen. I have Frankenweenie, which I have not seen. And I got my Cheshire Cat. I have the Cheshire Cat a few times. Then I have the Caterpillar, Alice in Wonderland, Sleepy Hollow. That's a good movie with Johnny Depp. And the Cheshire Cat. Johnny Depp is in almost every single Tim Burton movie. So he's in the Sleepy Hollow. He's in Alice in Wonderland. He's in Dark Shadows. I have seen Dark Shadows. It's an okay movie. There's got Alice there. The White Rabbit. The classic Beetlejuice with Gina Davis, Michael Keaton, and Alec Baldwin. And then there's Alice there. Then his most famous movie is Edward Scissorhands. Then I got another Cheshire Cat. And then I have The Corpse Bride with Johnny Depp again. Now this movie I have not seen. I want to see it. So this is Miss Pettigreen's home for the particular children. So I guess the children have special powers. I don't know a lot about it, but that's what I want to see. So that's the back. So I did front and the back of the cards. Then I found these really cool stickers for Halloween, which I really like. And then I got these coloring pages. So I got the White Rabbit. I guess the Dormouse with the eyeball there. The Red Queen. And should be, come on. And one of Alice. So I got the coloring pages. Stickers. And then I got all these cool leaves. All these leaves. I'm going to include them. And then I got these cool felt leaves. I found these at Dollarama. Got this cool red pencil. Gonna include some coffee. Oh, there's one of them. I got these cool owls. I got these butterflies and flowers. I know it's kind of springy, but I like them. And I got my bats, large and small bats, die cuts. Gonna have add some tea. It's chilly in the fall, no matter where you are. And then I got these bugs, ladybugs and bees, butterflies, and my cool skull die cut. So yeah, there's like 5 of them in there. 5 or 6 of them. So yeah, I'm going to include all this in this pocket letter. So, yeah, so all I gotta do is fill my pockets and write my letter, and it's ready to go. So, that is my Tim Burton pocket letter. Later.